Alright everybody, thank you for tuning in. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some product images to make some real kind of more professional mock-ups for whatever you might be selling, or maybe you're not selling, but it adds some context to any posters or canvases that you might be selling, and that's very important. It's very important for somebody, any customers that might be potentially into your product. They want to feel like it's real, so they need some perspective to it. And it's very simple, like I said, and that's what I'm going to show you today. This software, if you're not aware, it's called Affinity. It's like Photoshop, a little bit less features for $50 one time instead of Photoshop, which is like $20 a month. So basically, go here. You're going to find a little poster mock-up, and you can easily just search poster mock-up or product mock-up on Google Images and find one. And so for the most of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and shut up and show you. You don't really need me to commentate over it. And here you're just going to line up the edges here using the perspective tool. And this tool is something that you can most likely find on several different editing apps, not just this one. Just like that, you have some perspective. And just one more thing, because you don't want, it's a small little detail, but believe me, I think it makes a big difference. You don't want that little mock-up thing there, so you want to just have this as a nice little shadow. Alright, and there you go. You got a nice looking product image, nice looking product mock-up for whatever artwork you might be selling. So feel free to use this. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please comment or message me. And if you liked this, hit like, subscribe, and I will continue to make more videos like this in the future. Peace out.